So we have the DEWALT portable inflator DCC020I. We are using a 20 volt 5 amp hour battery with this inflator right there. We have our power button over here on this side. Press the power button. Now to set the tire pressure, you can simply scroll this wheel right there to set your PSI. Let's see what the maximum pressure you can achieve with this inflator. Wow, so it allows you to go up to 100. We are at 130, 146 PS, 156 PSI is what is showing on the screen right now. I don't know if it'll actually achieve that level. I have filled up some trailer tires to about 60 PSI, and this thing does a fantastic job at that. All right, so it's simple. You got a power button right here, and by default, it is in tire inflate mode. So you turn this to whatever pressure you want, and over here on this side, this side, I'm sorry. So the inflator is on this side. It has a nice little clip to keep everything in place. You undo it and then you unwrap it right there. And then you can wrap it back up. This would simply screw onto your valve stem. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus on this. So that right there would simply screw onto the valve stem on your vehicle or bicycle or whatever it is you're trying to inflate. It also has a little side compartment right there, and inside that side compartment is a cable or a cord that you can use to plug into a cigarette lighter and plug into the inflator should this battery right here underneath the inflator is not working. So you can use this on your car if this battery is dead, using this cable that you should keep stored in this compartment right there, because there really is no reason for you to not keep that cable stored in that compartment if we can get it back in. That would be the only reason to not store the cable, is because you can't get it back in. All right, so we got it back into that compartment. So here's the back side. Not too much going on right here. Nothing to write home about on the back side of the tire inflator. But over here on the front, let's go back around to the front of the inflator and see if we can zoom in a little bit without getting any glare. Oh, it turned off. It does turn off automatically if you don't press the power button or if you don't use it. So let's get it in focus there. So right there, you can see what we have available to us. It does have a little light on the side. As you can see, the light button, it is right there. You press this button here and it will illuminate this little light that is on the edge of the inflator right there. Not the most brightest light in the world, you can tell. But if you are putting air in the tire, that light definitely comes in handy so you can see what you're doing, especially if it is at night. Now this other button in the middle will switch you from tire mode to blower mode. So you can blow up like an air mattress with this cable that is provided right here on the side. So it comes with this cable, and if you've ever used an air mattress before, you've seen this style of not cable, but it's not a cable, inflator holes. If you've ever used an air mattress before, I'm sure you're familiar with this inflator hole style right here. So you can simply plug it into one of these ports right here. This one is to blow it up, and this one is to suck it down. So if you want to blow up an air mattress with this, or an inflatable raft of some sort like that, some type of a pool toy like a inflatable donut, you know, those things that they put in the pool and you float around in the pool on top of it, and you want to blow it up without blowing it up by your mouth, which would take forever and be very tiring. You can use this port here to blow it up, and you can use this port right there to deflate it. And you also have the tire valve for, not a tire valve, but an inflator for a basketball or soccer ball or any type of ball that needs to be inflated. It comes with this adapter piece right here, and you also have that other adapter piece for blowing up balloons and things like that. Now, I don't know what else you'd want from a portable inflator other than for it to inflate, and this does inflate. It works very well. It will set the pressure as you set it right here. Whatever pressure you set there, it will inflate it to that pressure, and you will see the number increase on this screen right there. When you hook this up to the tire, when you hook this cable right there, or line I should say, when you hook this air line up to your tire, it will show you the current pressure that is in the tire. It will show you the current PSI that's in the tire on this screen right there. And once you press the play button on this control there, let's press play and you'll hear how it sounds. And you press pause to stop it. Now it's not the quietest, it's not the loudest. So over here, this number will display the current pressure that is in the tire, and this little circular half moon type thingy is actually a gauge. So we'll set it to 22 PSI and we will turn it on. And I'm gonna put my finger over it. See that? It will automatically stop once it reaches 22 PSI. See that? It reached its destination and automatically stopped. I hope this video was helpful in helping you to decide on purchasing the DEWALT inflator. It's a fantastic inflator. I do recommend it. I like it. I enjoy it. Thanks for watching the review.